Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you save content from Paramount. So to save content from Paramount Plus, you could use the official download feature available on the supported mobile device or use a third-party tool for desktop as well. So what you need to do is basically simply go ahead and open your Paramount Plus. There you want to go ahead and find the movie or TV show that you'd like to save it. Once you select it, so you could find the episode. Now you could just go ahead and select this arrow icon at the very right hand side corner. You could see the download arrow icon, and that is basically how you'll be able to download the content. And after you're done downloading the content, in order to access the downloaded content, what you need is just go to your profile and select the download list, and this is where you will be able to find all your saved content. So that's how you will be able to save your content from Paramount Plus. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.